of increasingly warm sunshine are there, particularly for England and Wales. But a quick reflection, the sun is quite strong. When the index gets up to 6, which is high, that is as high as it gets in this country. So if you see the sun this weekend, it'll be strong. But you'll also note that there are plenty of 1s on this chart, suggesting an awful lot more cloud. That's a position then, that's a position now. We've been chasing large areas of cloud, moving slowly for the last couple of days. They make the day completely different. And at the moment, that line of thickest cloud stretches from southwest England through Wales, across northern England, another one through Northern Ireland and Scotland. In addition to the cloud, there is sea fog lapping on and off the coast of Cornwall and Devon, keeping things grey and disappointing. Head to the south coast and it looks a little better. The same is true around the Irish Sea. Cumbria is doing fine and Blackpool's doing fine, but there will be areas on the Lancashire coast where it's just grey as this sea fog rolls in and out. On the whole, though, the afternoon is fairly pleasant. There's a good deal of sunshine possible, maybe a light shower, but nothing more than that. Think of it as dry, I think. Lowland Scotland and Northern Ireland will fare, I think, worse for the sunshine, and there'll be persistent cloud here with the odd spot of rain, but the Highlands are back in the sunshine, and the temperatures reflect this. If you're in the sunshine, it's a warm 19. If not, it could be a pretty chilly 14, maybe 15. But over the next couple of days, as I suggested, warmth comes through, and for England and Wales in particular, it gets more and more orange, which suggests we head to the low 20s, which I think we will. It doesn't necessarily happen in Northern Ireland and Scotland. There's no wind to move anything around, except for Northern Ireland and Scotland, where it's a fairly persistent offshore, admittedly, but southwesterly. Now that brings a lot of cloud with it. So even for tomorrow, the cloud will be thick enough to bring rain for Scotland, but it'll just be thick enough to allow, well, no sunshine really. For example, I would say most likely northwest England tomorrow. But the sun where it shines will be nice and warm and the temperatures will rise to boot. And throughout the weekend, this sunshine will probably be most dominant in England and Wales, and temperatures starting tomorrow 18 or 19 will rise consistent with, I say, a degree or so a day. 21 Celsius is 70 Fahrenheit. Of course, the fly in the ointment will be these large areas of cloud which could sit virtually anywhere. I'm using an educated bit of forecasting to suggest that they will swiftly move or slowly move around to the northwest of England. If you're in the lee of the Pennines or in southern England, you should do best of the sunshine. But the same is true of eastern Scotland. On Sunday, we could be hitting the mark of 22. That's 72 Fahrenheit. A good bit of early summer.